Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel, Learn English Through Stories. Today I want to take you on a journey through my life in New York City. It's a story filled with excitement, challenges, and unforgettable experiences. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the vibrant world of New York. I remember the first time I stepped off the plane at JFK Airport. The air was buzzing with energy. I could hear different languages spoken all around me. As I took my first steps in this new city, I felt a mix of excitement and nervousness. New York was everything I had imagined. Big, bright, and full of possibilities. I took a taxi to my new apartment in Brooklyn. The streets were lined with brownstones, and the smell of street food filled the air. I was ready to start my adventure. In the beginning, everything felt overwhelming. The subway system was like a maze. I often got lost. I decided to buy a subway map and study it every day. It was a challenge, but I wanted to learn how to navigate the city. I also started to explore my neighborhood. I discovered a small coffee shop that became my favorite spot. The barista, Maria, was friendly and always asked about my day. I practiced my English with her, and she encouraged me to keep speaking. One of the best things about living in New York is the diversity of people. I joined a local community group where I met people from all over the world. We shared our stories, cultures, and food. It was a great way to make friends and practice my English. There was a woman named Aisha from Egypt. She invited me to her home for a traditional dinner. I was nervous, but excited. The food was delicious. We talked for hours, sharing our dreams and experiences. Moments like these made me feel at home. As I became more comfortable, I started exploring the iconic sights of New York. I visited Central Park, where I enjoyed walking among the trees and watching people jog, bike, and relax. I even rented a bike and rode around the park, feeling the wind in my hair. One day, I decided to visit the Statue of Liberty. I took a ferry from Battery Park, and as we approached the statue, I felt a sense of pride. I learned about its history and what it symbolizes, freedom and hope for many immigrants. Life in New York was not always easy. I faced challenges like finding a job and managing expenses. The cost of living is high, and I had to budget carefully. I remember one month when I had to eat ramen noodles for a week just to save money. But I didn't give up. I applied for many jobs and eventually landed a position at a local bookstore. I loved being surrounded by books and meeting customers. It helped me improve my English too. New York is a melting pot of cultures, and I embraced this diversity. I attended various festivals such as the Chinese New Year Parade and the West Indian Day Carnival. Each event was a celebration of tradition, music, and dance. One of my favorite experiences was going to a Broadway show. I saw The Lion King, and the performance blew me away. The music, costumes, and storytelling were incredible. I left the theater feeling inspired and grateful to be in such an amazing city. As time passed, I realized how much I had grown. My English improved significantly, and I became more confident in social situations. I learned to navigate the city like a local. I often reflect on my journey and how far I've come. From the nervous newcomer to a person who now calls New York home, each experience has shaped me. Thank you for joining me on this journey through my life in New York. I hope my story inspires you to embrace new experiences and challenges. Remember, learning a new language takes time and practice, but it opens doors to incredible adventures. If you enjoyed this story, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more stories that help you learn English. Until next time, keep exploring and dreaming big.